Neither team started the season that well. The Scarlets coming off the back of a much-needed derby win in round 3 against Cardiff. They welcome back Welsh internationals. Ryan Elias features for the first time since Rugby World Cup, since 2022 for the Scarlets. Plumtree back at 6. Gareth Davis captains after a player of the match performance against Cardiff, and Tom Rogers starts at 14 in a pacey looking Scarlets back 3. Off the bench, Kieran Hardy should create an impact. The Emirates Lions played 3, lost 3, but that doesn't paint an accurate picture of how they performed. 3 very narrow losses in games that could have gone either way. 3 changes from the round 3 clash at Benetton, where they lost 15-10. Old head Corne Foure starts at loose head. Young back rower Rowan Delport starts in the second row, and a first URC appearance this season for him. Morne van der Berg starts at 9 for the first time, which sees Sanele Nohamba wearing. Round 4 at Mharc y Scarlets gets underway. Lions in the black strip. Scarlets in the scarlet, in the reds. All the early pressure in the opening 2 minutes coming from the Scarlets. Tupilotu again breaks one tackle. Lions will have to shift, they'll have to be quicker than that. Nice bit of draw on that one if you're a golfer. Just turned it from right to left, crept inside the upright. The Scarlets lead 3-0. McNichol, he carries one-handed. Ball is still there. Rogers makes another metre or two. Support just gets there. Davis digs for it. Via Fifita. Big man. Big presence for the Scarlets in the second row this evening. Moved from 8. Good discipline defensively from the Lions at the moment. The Scarlets still pouring on. There he is again. Fifita. Short ball. Steph Evans. 2-on-1. Great finish for the Scarlets. And I think we have the opening try. Yes, we do. Tom Rogers, dallied, eventually put it down. The Scarlets lead.
Nice bit of creativity there from the Scarlets. It all came from that initial bust through from Johan Lloyd. But then it was some controlled movement of play. Here we go, we see that bust through again. Really sharp feet. He is an exciting player when he spots that gap and he can expose it. But as the work rate of Steph Evans coming round, lovely to see the wingers interlinking like that, swapping the roles. That was a bit pointless there from the Lions player. He's got to be careful there. That could be caused a cynical play.
Well, I think he's trying to give him a high five. I think Steph Evans. Back ball. Shizuka up, down. Here comes the drive from the Lions. Powerful drive straight through the middle. Gets to the deck. Nothing illegal from the Scarlets. Now this is the power from the Emirates Lions. A pick straight through the middle.
Not reacting quick enough. You've got to be closer to that ruck area. They call them the A's sometimes.
Close now. A metre out of the Lions. Pile of bodies there. They need support. One more carry. Ball is down. I think that's PJ Botha who gets up last from that one.
Sticking to route 1. They were just making half a metre on every one, but actually if the ball had come out, they'd create...
Another pull back pass. Lloyd, nothing much on in front. He's good in contact, is Johan Lloyd. And wins a penalty. PJ Botha's crossed for the try.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes, he can. I thought he pulled it for a second. Plumtree with a take at the back. Now they look for the set. Infield they go. If they get the shove on here, they could have a chance. Light are the Lions at the moment. Van der Berg has come through legally, but Elias squeezes over for the Scarlets. A lot of celebration.
Coming off a set piece and out muscling the Lions. That's real credit to him, that's real ambition.
And they want to play numbers out here. Marius Lowe straightens, great play. Pretorius cuts back in. Nicholas with the tackle. Horn with the ball now. Lots of red shirts around there. Scarlets wanted a penalty, they didn't get one. They'll get William Alberts on a charge. Now Hamba decides to kick, bit into no man's land. Oh, charge down. Creel. Oh, this is going to be a score. Disaster for the Scarlets. Elation for the Lions. Henkel van Wyk crosses. They're a point behind, but the conversion is under the sticks, right in front. The Lions should take the lead with 3 minutes left on the clock.
For the Scarlets fans there, you thought the Lions were getting loose, but then the Scarlets just matched it. He was looking too far ahead, Steph Evans. He could see in the backfield play there was no fullback, so he's gone for the low drive to try and maybe get a 50-22, but under that much pressure, just get the ball gone. You've got the lead, it's the dying moments. But credit to Lions, really. You cannot charge until there's a movement forward.
Yeah, that's clever. Clever indeed, and the conversion is good. Clock is red. Lions are going to get their first victory of the BKT URC campaign. Sanile Nohamba kicked the conversion. Now he's kicked the ball out of Mharc y Scarlets, and he can smile, as can Ivan van Rooyen and his coaching team. The Lions victorious for the first time in this year's URC. Final score, the Scarlets 23, the Emirates Lions 24.